What is the full faith and credit clause in state law? Have you ever wondered how states respect each other's laws and decisions? The full faith and credit clause is a key part of this process. It is found in Article 4, Section 1 of the United States Constitution. This clause requires each state to recognize and honor the public acts, records, and judicial proceedings of every other state. So, what does this mean in practical terms? When a court in one state makes a legal decision, that decision must generally be accepted by other states. For example, if a court in State A issues a ruling, State B must treat that ruling as valid, as long as the original court had the right to make that decision. This helps prevent people from moving to another state to escape a legal ruling they do not like. The full faith and credit clause also applies to certain laws and public records. However, there is a difference between how courts treat judicial judgments and legislative acts. While states need to respect each other's laws, courts can still decide how to apply those laws based on their own policies and concerns. Congress has taken steps to support the full faith and credit clause. They have created laws that set up procedures for proving the validity of acts and records from other states. These laws ensure that federal courts also honor state court judgments, making it clear that all courts in the United States must follow this rule. In terms of state sovereignty, the full faith and credit clause strikes a balance. It encourages states to respect each other's legal decisions while still allowing them to maintain control over their own laws. This means that while states work together, they still have the right to interpret and apply their own laws, especially when it comes to public policy or constitutional rights. This clause impacts many areas of law, including family law, contract enforcement, and civil judgments. It helps create a stable legal environment across the United States. For instance, marriages and divorces recognized in one state are typically honored in others. This is essential for personal legal matters and supports smooth interactions between states. In essence, the full faith and credit clause is a constitutional requirement that promotes legal consistency among states. It ensures that states accept and enforce each other's public acts, records, and judicial decisions. At the same time, it respects the unique laws and policies of each state, allowing for a diverse legal landscape across the nation.